If I point to brother Muhammad and say, I cannot say ma hada, I will say man hada. What will I say? Man hada. And my answer will be hada Muhammadun. Are you with me? I am not pointing out to female now because of a reason that I'll explain you in next class. And from next class onwards, I'll be pointing out to sisters also. If I point out to this brother, I will say man haza. Then the answer will be hada Hasan. Hasanun. Hasanun. And then if I point out to the third gentleman, again I will say man hada. I will say hada Abdus Samad. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So for human beings, anything akal or rational nouns, we use man. For gair akal or irrational nouns, we use ma. Simple, brother. So let's see now. Look at the picture and what is the question? Man haza. Haza tabibun. What is the meaning of tabibun? Doctor. Got the idea? Haza tabibun. Man haza. Haza waladun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Then next one. Man haza. He has got his little bag, school bag with him. Man haza. Haza talibun. Talibun. Mashallah. Now the question. How you start your question? By putting a. Ahaza waladun. Is this a boy? La. Haza rajulun. So all these new vocabs are coming. And you got to memorize it, right? Rajulun, a man. Brothers and sisters, next one. Ma hada. Hada masjidun. Man hada. So it's question for and pointing out to an akil person. Okay. Man hada. Hada tajirun. What is the meaning of tajirun? Merchant. Very good. Merchant. Businessman. Business. Then haza kalbun. Dog. Okay. Haza kalbun. La. Haza kittun. Mashallah. So bird. King. Kittun. A cat. Haza himarun. Haza himarun. Okay, brother. Haza himarun. La. Haza hisanun. All these vocabs, you must do it at home. Huh? Donkey, horse, okay. Ma haza. Haza jamalun. Haza jamalun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Ma hada. Hada dikun. Rooster. Hada dikun. Now again the question is, man hada, towards a human being. Pointing out to human being. Man haza. Hada mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. Hada mudarrisun. Remember sun, huh? هذا قميص لا هذا منديل. What is the meaning of mindilun? Handkerchief. Handkerchief. So we have to remember all these vocabs. Remember. Now, the question is, Vama haza. Do you see that, brothers and sisters? Vama haza. What is the meaning of va? And. And. Va means and. Okay, you know that Arabic language, you can put it into three groups. So what is va? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? What is it? What I didn't say was particle. So it's a particle. Are you with me? It is ataf. We call it harfu ataf. So remember, but you do not have to memorize now. I'm only pointing out to you. Later on, I will be repeating it over and over, and inshallah, you will get into your memory. So va means and In English, we call it conjunction, and in Arabic, we say harfu ataf. Well, as I said, you can write it down, but you don't have to really memorize it. Man is also ism. Man is also ism. Huh? Slowly, we will get into it. If I say something and if you can write it, good enough. But don't, sit down to memorize it. It will come to us in the course of our class. Now we come to zalika. It's a pronoun. What kind of a pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. And what do we call in Arabic? Ismu ishara. Okay. Now what is the difference between this and that? Both are pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. In Arabic, we'll say, Hada ismul ishara lil kareem, for something that is closer. And zalika ismul ishara lil ba'id, for far things. Hada qalamun, zalika babun. So when I have to point out something which is far, you just use zalika. Ready, brother? The question ma is same. Huh? Ma zalika. What is the meaning, brother? What is that? Now we are talking about that. Zalika najmun. That is a star. Hada masjidun, which is closer to us. Wazalika. What is the meaning of wazalika? And that is a house. Ma zalika. Zalika sarirun. Now we come to human being and we say, Man hada wa man zalika. Who is this and who is that? What is the answer? Hada mudarrisun wa zalika imamun. Imam, the one who leads us in the prayers. Okay, brother? Ma zalika. Zalika hajarun. Look at the vowel signs, brother, and try to, inshallah, understand and memorize it. Zalika hajarun. What is the meaning of hajarun? A big rock. Hada sukkarun. Look at the shadda on kaf. Hada sukkarun. Wazalika labanun. This is sugar and that is milk. Now, brother, sukkarun. Okay? This is an Arabic word. In English we say sugar, but it has been derived from Arabic. Sugar is derived from sukkarun. Are you with me, brothers?